And welcome to our afternoon evening, though it's so dark outside you would probably think it was a heck of a lot later than it was. But the joys of winter for you. Say hello. Say hello. I'm being a monkey. I'm not letting Mum put me down. So yeah. Hello, Trouble. There you are. My wet laundry. Yeah, she's caught her nail and it's bleeding. Hello, Lissy. So she's being a bit of a drama queen with that. Right, I am putting dinner on and in the go. We've literally just got fish and chips for tonight. So something nice, simple, quick and easy, and things like this that the kids can wolf down, because we have Jess and Ki coming round for a little surprise for them, because I've asked them to come around for dinner. Not that actually anyone's here yet, but Ki is on her way and hopefully Jess is on her way soon. Speak of the devil, she's about to message me. So yeah, because as a surprise last year for fireworks night, I think if you've been with my channel for a while you'll have remembered I did a vlog on that last year as well, when we did our own little firework display and things at home out the front. And this year we're going to do the same, and Ki was with us last year and Ki is obviously with us this year again, and so is Jess, but they don't know. That's why they're coming round. So they actually don't know that I've done the display for them as well, which is just like, ooh, nice little surprise for them. So yeah, fireworks are sat up there waiting and ready and things like this. So we are gonna, well, I am gonna put dinner in this oven, get things sorted, shut the freezer because I've just realised I left it open. Silly me, oops. And then yeah, let's wait for everyone to show up so that we can have dinner and get on with our firework display. Yeah? And then just have a nice, fun, chilled family night and just enjoy each other's company. Hello guys, are we looking forward to the fireworks?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this brain out.
Hey Josiah! Hey Baba!
I got it out.
We're looking forward to some fireworks.
Yeah.
Yes, because I didn't have any carrots, so we're going to hold a potato for all of our sparklers instead.
So you're safe and you can't burn your hands.
Because we normally have carrots, don't we? But we forgot carrots this time.
Like this.
Yeah, all like that.
As long as your fingers
And not near your face.
then it'll be fine.
Hello. Hello, Foxy boy.
There you go. Cute fox.
Oh, look at the cute Foxy.
Hey.
Oh, I'll can't help with that one. Oh, no, there you go. Yeah, careful. You all done? Oh, wow. There we go. There we go. No, sweet pea, I love you, but you're too little. Make some circles. Oh, hold on then, honey. Did you have fun?
Yeah, but just a little bit sleepy.
You're now very sleepy, are you? Well, get into bed then.
This is actually a real song.
Into bed then. Did you like the fireworks, Bubba?
No.
You're saying yes, but you didn't like most of them, did you? What about you? Did you have fun? Yes or no, Adriana?
Mama.
50-50.
Mummy.
What?
You do not know the challenge we were playing. When I was at school, someone had a spice stick, and they had it's better when you have a glove on.
Yes, it can be. He was so good with the fireworks, weren't you? Yes, you were. You like the fireworks. Monkey, back off. Get into bed. Get into bed. Come on, Monkey. You need to get into bed too.
I love Halloween.
In a minute. It's gone Halloween. Bed. Bed. In a minute. Oh, trying to do the camera one-handed. Right.
I can hold it.
You gonna say night-night to everyone? Night. You say night-night? Night. Up you go, bed. Okay.
Jake.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yep, go on then. Oh, no, you can't.
Wait, let me just do this. Drink.
Everyone else in bed. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and we're already ready for bed and everything else like that. So, yeah, were those fireworks fun? Yeah. Literally, as soon as they'd finished, it was that Jess and her lot and Ki and her lot packed up and went straight back home because it was actually that late. It was like nearly everyone's bedtime. We were running a bit behind than what we actually wanted to. But yes, outside of that, that was so much fun. And the little kids, like Josiah,
Hunter, and Azrael.
yeah, no, Azrael was fine with it. Hunter cried afterwards. He watched the fireworks and then he cried.
It was like,
Because
why
he couldn't
did
figure
they
out.
finish?
No, because he couldn't figure out if he liked them or not. And then Josiah was the same. He wanted to watch them and he wanted to enjoy them and things like that. But then he wasn't sure. However, the twins, they do not like fireworks at all. They didn't like them last year and they do not like them this year. So yes, they curled up and hid inside. No, I lied. One twin hid inside. One of them hid behind me. So yeah, yeah, she was buried right into my legs, bless her. But Azrael, he was absolutely fine with the fireworks. He didn't make a noise. He was just watching them. He was like, huh? He was just watching them, bless him. You're freaky. So yeah, it was a lovely night, and apparently we've started a tradition. So we'll have to be doing this again next year. And my hair is going to annoy the petunias out of me. But yeah, next year we're planning on making an actual like full day of it and things, where we'll do a proper bonfire kind of like dinner for us all and the kids, and just make a proper
bonfire breakfast. Rainbow Hoop.
Shh! Stop shouting. Stop. You are going over the top.
Rainbow Hoop.
So yes, and I've just realised the length of this clip in regards to it. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel. There, it's right there.
Yes. Shh, stop shouting. But yes, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you next time. I'm going to try and calm this lunatic down and put her to bed. So yeah,
Purple.
Stop it. It is purple, yes. Slobber the purple. Slobber the purple. Creeper.
I kind of like purple now.
Cool. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching for like the umpteenth time, and we will catch you next time. Bye everybody.
Celebrity. Bye bye.